Hey everyone, Dr. Dent here. Wanted to go over this morning with you the new Brush and Bite Starter Kit. The Brush and Bite Starter Kit was designed for those with special needs to help them get over the anxieties that come along with going to the dentist, and also to help those that work with patients with special needs, the parents, caregivers, dentists, hygienists, therapists, teachers, anyone that's working with them, help them to get over some of the problems of brushing their teeth at home. So let's go through the kit real quick and we'll go through each and every item. Inside the kit, you're going to find a little instruction manual, and that manual just goes over all of the items inside of the kit, which we'll do right now, and also the proper way to brush your teeth with the new Brush and Bite handle. So first off, we're going to start with the Brush and Bite handle. So this handle was designed to help individuals with special needs be able to brush independently, as well as for parents or caregivers to be able to help them brush, and especially with the built-in bite block in the back, help keep the mouth open so they can brush and floss more efficiently. And at the end of it, you'll see there's the triple bristle head that allows us to get all three sides of the teeth at one pass, so that will make the efficiency of our brushing better. There's also a insert with the flosser and the additional floss heads, and again, this is designed for the parent or caregiver to be able to get to those back teeth and keep your fingers outside the mouth so we don't get bit. And lastly, there is the disposable pack, and inside the disposable pack we'll go through each of these items. The first one is a little foam tray, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut across this, and this will separate into two separate pieces. What that will allow you to do is take the foam tray, put it in the mouth, and have the patient bite down on this one piece. Hold that for 5 seconds, and that will teach us and get us to the point where we can take dental x-rays in the office. There's also a dental mirror, which we will use to practice with the dentist looking in our mouth, so we want to be able to practice that at home. There's a small suction tip. Now this is important for the parents or caregivers to help the patients learn how to close and open their mouth around this, to learn how to spit when they're at the dentist. There's also a sample of a Prophy cup, and this is just so they can see what type of toothbrush that we're going to be using at the office. There's a sample of Prophy Paste. Now the Prophy Paste is to help with texture sensitivities because it has more grit, more sand in it. So what you'll do is take a little piece of this, mix it with your toothpaste at home, and that will help with those sensory issues. And finally, there is a dental mask, a dental bib, and gloves. Now these are just to help kind of practice what the dentist will be putting on, or hygienist will be putting on at the time, and allow them to get over some of the sensory issues. For example, putting a bib on could help with getting over issues like if they don't like tags in their shirts, or obviously a mask, just getting over the scariness of someone putting a mask on. These items will be available on brushandbite.com. Go there, you can pre-order these. If you have any questions, you can email me at specialneedswarriordoc@gmail.com. Thank you.